You are going to love the 2015 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.